This is the brief on large language models, architecture, and mechanics. So, if you've ever wondered what's actually going on inside an LLM, this is for you. We're looking at the core concepts that made 2023 the year language AI changed, well, everything. Here are the three essential takeaways you need to know. First, you've got to know that LLMs basically fall into two main camps. On one hand, there are representation models, like BERT. They're really good for specific jobs like classification, but they don't actually generate new text. On the other hand, you have generative models, like GPT. And yeah, those are the ones that produce that human-like language we see, usually one little piece at a time. Second, how does that generation process actually work? Well, it's a super fast sequence of predictions. Your input text gets turned into numerical chunks called tokens. The model then predicts just one single output token, immediately sticks it on the end of the prompt, and runs the whole thing again to predict the next one. To speed this up, they use something called the KV cache. Just think of it as the model's short-term memory. It prevents it from rereading the entire history for every single new word. It's a huge deal. Finally, this all leads to a big practical decision: going with proprietary or open source models. Proprietary models like GPT-4 are easy. You just access them through an API, no expensive hardware needed. But open source models, well, you have to host them. That gives you total control, but it requires some serious GPU power, which is why you hear folks talking about being GPU poor. So it really boils down to this. LLMs rely on specific architectures and sequential prediction, which forces users to choose between the convenience of a closed API and the full control that comes with resource-intensive local hosting.